Introducing QuestMark 2110 Premium Formulation Resurfacer, a versatile and reliable repair solution ideal for projects of any size, from small patching to large surface repairs in high traffic areas like loading docks and warehouses. Designed for performance and flexibility, this robust resurfacer effectively addresses a wide range of floor damage, including impact damage, holes, and spalling, making it a great choice for small and large-scale repairs. Here's how to apply this product in your facility to achieve optimal results. Step 1. Prepare the surface. For optimal adhesion, proper surface preparation is crucial. Begin by carefully removing all loose concrete using available mechanical methods. Then, clean the surface thoroughly by vacuuming away any debris, loose rocks, and dust. Next, mix the components, Part A and Part B, in an oversized container. And after the liquids are thoroughly mixed, add in the aggregate. Then continue mixing to ensure that the aggregate is thoroughly wetted out and ready to apply. Step 3. Apply the resin-rich blend. Trowel it firmly into place and smooth out the surface. Finally, allow it to cure. The 2110 product sets quickly, creating a durable surface that withstands forklifts, pallet jacks, carts, and continuous use. Whether it's production areas, loading docks, or expansion joints, 2110 delivers performance you can count on. QuestMark 2110, proven durability where it matters most. For this and other commercial-grade products plus turnkey flooring solutions, visit QuestMarkFlooring.com.